English is a global language. Let's understand how it acquired this crown. Hello everyone, I Pradeep Kumar, working as computer faculty at Government Girls High School Talwant, Tehsil Philaur, District Jalandhar. Welcome you all in the session of public speaking under English Booster Club. In the ancient times, humans had to travel from one place to other place for hunting and gathering their food. But later, when humans learned to grow their crops, they started to stay in different parts of the earth. Natural boundaries like oceans, mountains, rivers also confined their visits to their particular zones. They were using different set of symbols to record their knowledge and to communicate with one another. This thing gave rise to different types of languages. But later, with the Industrial Revolution, humans became capable of traveling comparatively much of our distances with comparatively much ease. In beginning of the 16th century, England started to establish its empire in many of the different countries around it. Till end of the 18th century, about 1/4 of the countries of the world were under British rule, in which many big and small countries including India, Canada, America, Australia and New Zealand were also included. In 17th century, 13 states of United States of America collectively put their demand of independence in front of Great Britain and they declared themselves as independent nations. These 13 states selected English as their common language for communicating with one another and to keep themselves united. From that time, English became native language of United States of America. Now, on the one hand, when USA was free, many other countries including India were struggling for their independence. During the time of World War I, America demonstrated its economic and military power to the world and realized the world that now America is a superpower. Many of the dominating countries at the time of World War I were having English as their native language. This thing inspired leaders and diplomats of different countries of the world and they started to learn English to improve their international relations. Still, majority of the common people were not much interested to learn about English. But later, in the field of technology, media and mass communication, movies and music created in America got huge popularity in the world. With this thing, English language also got a new identity. Along with this, global commerce, international diplomacy, academic journals and language of traffic control also started the use of English worldwide. World travelers also took this thing hand to hand and they also started the use of English to communicate with other countries. Friends, there are many reasons why English is called global language. Today, 53 countries out of total 195 countries of the world are having English as their first language or mother language. More than 100 countries including India has given the status of second language to English language. English is taught as a subject of foreign language in different schools all around in the world. Keeping all these features behind, today Internet has put English at the highest peak of the time till now. People all around in the world are connected to each other via internet on a single platform by the use of English as a source. Whether it is social media like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp or any other platform. Friends, I hope so. Many of the questions arising in your mind about English language would have been answered. Thank you all. Good luck.